We're in Camawena. We're gonna go over the Camawena River. We're gonna go to a place called Margarita. Fort 4000. This machine has seen its days. Wow. Oh, Kish.
Iron.
I know what these pots are for. Cold beer and fried fish. If ever you guys are in Suriname, you guys should take a walk across the river. You guys should come here to Margarita. I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. Oh. Please like, subscribe, and share. Ooh, it's so hot out here today. Hey, amazing people. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are keeping safe. Well, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and we decided to go for a drive all the way across the river, over the bridge. So we are now in Marienburg. We're in Camawena. We're gonna go over the Camawena River. We're gonna go to a place called Margarita. I've been there one time. Join me, guys. Let's take a boat ride to the other side. We parked the car there, and then we're walking towards the river now. It's the water is high today. See, we're high tide today. And this river is the Camawena River. I see there's a lot of people over there. There's no boat. Let's see what's happening. Guys, we got a boat. Oh, oh, the water is high today, guys. My friends. Guys, the water is a bit rough today, but it's not beautiful. Johanna and Margarita. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Okay, we're here already. Okay. Okay, we're here on the other side of the river. Marine turtles. Guidelines for visiting a marine turtle nesting beach. Okay, these are the instructions if you want to visit the beach that has these marine turtles. Okay, now we're walking into this village here now. Some restaurants here. All these are restaurants. It's an old wooden bridge, guys. Looks very sturdy though. See who's there? Jafana weg. Weg naar rust en werk. Okay, we're gonna go around the other side.
Check out this side, bro.
Where? Oh, be careful. One of the handy bikes. Yeah, look at that bike, guys. I haven't seen one of this for a long time. Oh, this is a nice idea. Have an ATM machine over here. Oh, that's a little look at what the village looks like. Yeah, yeah. Small canal. It says here, how's your keeping spoon? Keep your surroundings clean. I think here, yeah. The sluice is closed at the moment. Oops, sorry. See? The sluice door is closed at the moment. The only two vehicles I saw in here was those two pickup trucks out there. I don't know if cars are coming inside here. The roads are so narrow. Yeah, I guess you. Oh, that's neat, guys. I guess you have a garage to park your boat too. Look there, guys. See, boat is parked neatly in the garage. And a dog inside there. Guys, those are what you call mangroves. This is what you need, the perfect sea defense against sea erosion. If you don't have this planted along your coastline, that's when you have the sea erosion and then your land keeps washing away and you lose land. If you have this as a sea defense, it's going to help protect your coastline. Okay, so this is called Frederiksdorp. Okay, now I know. Frederiksdorp. There's some more houses at the back there. Some water tank there. That's freshly painted. Oh, it's neatly kept too. Uh, where? I don't know. We can walk in and see. Yeah. Check it out. Oh, people live in here though. Look at this, guys. That's a Ford 4000. This machine has seen its days. Wow. Incredible. Look at those water tanks, guys. They're made of concrete. I guess it's probably a resort here. I assume it used to be live-in quarters or government quarters, and it's now turning into, oh, there's a swimming pool there. Okay. Okay, guys, according to the lady, it's a restaurant here. It's a restaurant with a resort. Hotels. Hotels are there. You can come and you can stay here. I'll get the name for you at the reception somewhere. That's a bar there. Hey. Okay, that's the reception over there. Okay, this is new. I came here about 5 years ago and this wasn't here. So that's the restaurant there, and that's the hotels are at the back there. So it's a resort. This is the kitchen, I suppose. Okay, nice. Pool deck and bar. Again, these are rooms where you can stay at the back there. It's beautiful, guys. This is the reception. I've been.
Anytime is niet mogelijk.
Nee, walk en neem en met ook met COVID en dat we dat zo min mogelijk hebben, dus niet meer.
I'm even surprised I didn't know that this exists on the side of the river. It's nice. Yes, guys, as I was saying, if you come across the river to Margarita there, you can walk down here, and then there's a resort here with everything. Bikes to ride, place to stay, restaurant. I showed you a swimming pool a while ago. I didn't even realize this place exists here. The last time I came, it wasn't here. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful, guys. Oh, Kish.
Iron.
I know what these pots are for. These are what the Indians, the cannibals, they used to cook human beings to eat.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. These are big pots, though. That's from the road going into the place. Johan and Margarita, 1 kilometer. Rustenwerk, 6 kilometer. Going this way. Going this way, you have Kronenberg, 5 kilometers, and then you have Bospad Marine Bos, 1.6 kilometers. Comfort hidden in nature. That's what I will call this. When you come out this way, we have a kind of a pier here. Yes. It's a nice pier, guys. Oh, that's nice. Isn't that a beautiful sight? Oh, look at that.
What the movie name? A black guy. And they had a slave girl, and it was a white girl and a white guy. Hollander. And the slave girl, he ended up.
Who did the circus?
Right. Who did the circus is?
Who dared this secret? Saint McLeod?
Is here.
Right
It's
here?
Yeah, but back in the old days. This is where it's from. Yeah. The same Frederiksdorp.
Okay. Plantage Frederiksdorp. Yes. Where? Who, what? Who's climbing who tree? Where? Flag climbing a tree. Oh crap, I thought he said a frog. I wonder how a frog can climb a tree.
Yeah.
Tree crabs climbing a tree. Where is them crabs? Them crabs think they climbing trees? Tree climbers?
Oh yeah, I see tree.
So them crabs think they're monkeys. This place is really well maintained. I like it. That's an hibiscus tree. Here guys, that's a old cartwheel. It's cool. Calabash tree. Look at the calabash. Look at that guys. That's a fire lobby. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's the national flower of Suriname. Fire lobby. Hey! Hoe gaat het? Hey guys, we're back where we started at the boat pier. We'll just take a rest here. We'll have something to drink and something to eat. Relax for a few minutes and then we'll travel back to the river to go back to Marienburg. It was a beautiful afternoon walk, guys. I enjoyed it. Sun is very hot, but it's beautiful. If ever you guys are in Suriname, you guys should take a walk across the river. You guys should come here to Margarita. I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. You can have my word on that. It's a nice adventure. Cold beer and fried fish. Beautiful. That is what life is about. Fried fish and beer. Help yourself.
Freshwater KFC. Get to travel around know your own country.
Huh?
Get to travel around know your own country.
Yeah. Of course.
You don't have to get enough money to go to the next country.
Not bad. Good fried fish and beer. So we're now gonna head back to Marienburg now. Looking for the boat. Okay, put on a fat man over the side. Is that a beautiful sight, guys? Heading back to Marienburg. We're gonna go back in the car and then we're gonna drive back to Paramaribo. So that's another part of Suriname. Margarita, you come to Marienburg, you take the boat and you go over to Margarita. So I hope you guys enjoy this journey with us today. And or I must say, adventure. The journey continues, the adventure. So thank you guys for joining us on this adventure, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Let the world see what Suriname is like. Thank you guys. Take care. Catch you in the other adventure. Bye for now, guys.